Another flipping episode. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video. That is because of some health reasons, but I am fine now and I am very excited to flip again. So I thought maybe I could check the box where I put all the clothes that I want to upcycle and saw this dress. It is my sister's. She gave it to me and I think the floral prints are really cute, but the thing is, it's not really my style and I think it doesn't fit my age, so I decided to flip this. So while I'm scrolling in the Pinterest, I saw this dress. It is called Catherine dress from Reformation, and I checked if how much yung dress na to, and guys, na-shook ako ng bonggang-bongga nung nakita ko magkano yung dress na to. Because it is retailed for $218 or in Philippine peso, 10,900 pesos.
What?
Naloka ako. Ang dami mo nang pwede mabili sa ganong halaga ng pera. Mga kailangan mo sa bahay, mga pagkain na kailangan mo, and other clothes hindi kailangan ganun kamahal. Actually, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganitong damit. But the problem is, if hindi mahaba sa akin, malaki. So I thought, why not flip the dress that I showed you earlier into something like this? And I think it's really cute and it is something that I want to have in my closet without spending a lot of money. Okay, so before we dive into the tutorial, I just thought maybe we could check the details of the dress. So with the skirt, it looks like a simple mini skirt with a ruffle hem. For the top, it looks like a corset top because of how fit it is to the body, that has like a bra cup as well as ruffle on the top. The strap is a ribbon strap, which is a pretty simple strap. Okay, for the back, I can see that in the middle section it is sheared, but we wouldn't do that only because I don't think we will have enough fabric, so we will just keep the original back of the dress as well as the zipper on the back. Now that we have all the details, so let's go and start flipping.
So first, detach the skirt from the top. So here is the skirt that we detached from the top, and I want to maintain the skirt and just measured 12 inches for the length and then cut. And for the bottom part, I will be using this for the ruffles, and I'm just gonna measure 4 inches and set aside.
Now that we have got the fabric that we need for the ruffle hem, I'm going to go ahead and sew the top of this fabric, and then I'm going to attach it to the skirt.
Don't forget to adjust your machine to low because we just need a loose stitch for this.
Okay, now we're done, and I don't know if you can see there are 2 threads, and I'm just going to pull the thread on the top to make the ruffles. And just continue ruffling it until the length matches the length of the skirt. So this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to the skirt. So you can ruffle it according to your liking, but as for me, I just want to make sure that the ruffles are even.
And here's how the skirt looks like, and I am loving it already.
So with the top part, this is the tricky part. Alam mo yon, alam ko kung ano dapat kong gawin, but in reality, it's harder than I thought without a pattern pala. So I decided to create a pattern for the top. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but the skirt has 3 patterns that were sewn together. As you can see, there is one middle section. There's a seam here, and then here, and there are 2 sides. Okay, so the length of the middle piece is 7 inches, and both sides is 3.5 inches. And I'm just gonna use those measurements as a guide for my top, because I want all seams to line up to have a clean finish. So I tried to get the measurements around my chest area. I don't know. I'm not a professional seamstress, and this is all a trial and error. And with those measurements, I kind of drew a pattern, which I think would work, hopefully. And this is how it looks like. This is for the middle section. And this is for the right side and for the left side. Also, I created the pattern for the bra cup. So this is gonna be how the top should look like. I'll just show you the left side of the top because the middle section is gonna be cut on fold. The length of the middle piece is 3.5 inches because there's gonna be another piece of this. So I also cut the bra cup pattern, and I'm just going to sew this together here to form it into a cup.
So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly of what I meant by cutting on a fold. So here I just have a scrap piece of cloth that I'm gonna be using to make my pattern, and I'm just going to fold it in half and take my pattern and place it along the half fold of the fabric. Then I'm just gonna pin it, trace it to the fabric, and cut. For other patterns, just repeat what we did on the midsection of the top. Now you have a symmetrical mid pattern. And then join all the patterns together. So this is how the front part looks like, and I'm just gonna pin it to my body to check if there is any measurements that I need to adjust.
So this is how the top should look like. And now that I'm happy with how it fits, I'm going to seam rip this whole thing because I'm going to use this as a pattern to cut out the pieces for the dress.
So this is the pattern for the front part of the top, and this is for the back part.
Okay, now that I'm done putting all the patterns onto the fabric, I'm gonna go ahead and cut all these pieces and then put them together, and once I'm done, I'm going to attach it to the skirt. Now I'm done with the top, and I already went ahead and attached it to the skirt, and this is how it looks like. And I also went ahead and attached the ruffles on the top of the dress. The way I did the ruffles is exactly the same way I made the ruffle hem, except it's a little tinier. For the last step, we are going to make the ribbon strap. To make the strap, I will just cut out a strip of fabric from the sleeves of the dress, and I'm just going to measure 2 inches for the width of each strap.
Then I fold the fabric into half and pin. Then I'm gonna sew along the top and leave the other end side open. So once you turn it inside out, it will look like this. Attach it to your dress and you're done.